Today we will see, in just a few simple steps, how to activate AI plugins in Krita. AI plugins are not pre-installed in Krita, since it is open-source software. The developers prefer to keep the program's core lightweight, leaving users free to add these features through extensions. However, installation has now become very easy. To download the plugin, go to the official Krita AI diffusion page on GitHub. Under the section Generative AI for Krita, look for the download area and download the file named Krita_AI_diffusion 1.46.1.zip. Important: once the zip file is downloaded, do not extract it manually. Leave it as it is. Open Krita. In the top menu, go to Tools Scripts Import Python plugin from File. Select the .zip file you just downloaded and click Open. A confirmation message will appear. Click Yes. Now restart Krita. Activating the pane. Once restarted, go to Settings Dockers. Look for AI image generation in the list and enable it. A new panel will appear on the right, called AI Image Generation. Now you need to download and install the required models. Once the AI Image Generation panel is active and connected, in the AI panel, click the Configure gear icon. Go to the Connection tab, then Workload, and download the plugins. All done. See you in the next tutorial, and don't forget to click like to support our work.